Welcome to NexTechie BioFlux The Brief, tracking the tech that heals, evolves, and informs. Your rapid pulse on biotech and beyond.
This is the brief on the latest BioFlux industry intelligence. What we're seeing right now is this huge split in the global healthcare landscape. As the US starts pulling back on pandemic-era policies, Europe, well, they're flooring it. Okay, first up, let's talk about the Medicare telehealth cliff. On January 31st, 2026, the system basically rewinds to pre-pandemic rules. This means for most people, at-home telehealth coverage, it's just gone. You'll have to physically go to an approved clinic to be covered. Now, there are a few key exceptions. Mental health, acute stroke care, and home dialysis. Those will stay. But for almost everything else, Congress still hasn't passed an extension. Second, while the US is hitting the brakes, Europe is hitting the gas, hard. They've got this new Fast EU initiative and the Biotech Act coming. And get this, the whole point is to cut clinical trial approval times from 75 days down to just 47. It's a really aggressive move, right? They're basically trying to make Europe the go-to spot for biotech R&D. And finally, keep an eye on the FDA. They're really scrutinizing novel drug delivery. Take Aquestive's oral epinephrine film, Anaphylm. Right before its approval date, the FDA found issues with the application. So what's the big takeaway here? It's that regulators aren't just looking at the drug. They're demanding solid proof that new delivery methods, like an oral film, are just as reliable as a standard injection. So, to sum it all up, you've got the US contracting on digital access, while Europe is aggressively expanding to speed up research. It's creating a really fascinating divergence for the entire industry. And that's what you need to know.
This was NexTechie BioFlux The Brief, just a brief overview. Upgrade your subscription to access the full newsletter and our detailed explainer video.